Hello and welcome to the Detailing Business channel. Since you're watching this video, chances are you probably have a scuff or a scratch on your car that you're panicked about right now. Maybe a stray shopping cart bumped into your car and left a mark. Or the kid's bicycle handle grip left a black scuff on your door.
Stop, use the brake!
Or maybe you got a little too close to the yellow post at the gas pump. Well, I'm going to show you how to remove those scuff marks and paint transfers without any tools. It's such an easy fix, you're probably going to run out to your car and try it right away. No tools required, so you don't have to get out the rubbing compound or the buffer. Just 2 products you probably already have, 2 steps, and 2 minutes is all you need. Alright, so step 1 is to grab some acetone and a rag. Pour a little bit of acetone in your rag and wipe away the scuff. Now wait a minute before you rush out to the garage to find the acetone and try it out. Hang out for the step number 2 that you can't forget. We'll get to step number 2 in a second, but first, if this little detailer secret worked for you, make sure you hit the like button and leave a comment and let me know if it worked for you. And don't forget to subscribe for more detailing tips like this. This little trick works on paint transfer as well, but scratches under the paint transfer or the scuff might require a little more work. I made a video about this situation earlier where the customer banged into his door jamb as he was pulling in the garage and left a huge paint transfer on his bumper. That one did require some tools and a little more work because it left some deep scratches under the paint transfer. If your situation is along those lines, there's a link in the description to that video or at the end of this video in the end card. Alright, so step number 2 that you can't forget. Acetone removes wax. Sometimes as detailers we'll use a diluted acetone on the whole vehicle to remove any oils or wax before a coating or before paint correction. If you don't replace the wax, it'll leave the area dull and unprotected. So after you finish removing the scuff, grab your favorite wax and apply it to the area that you just wiped down with acetone. That's it. Can you believe how easy that was? Now run out to your garage and try it out. But don't forget to come back and leave a comment as a thank you for saving you a ton of money. We'll see you next time on the Detailing Business channel.